I found apps that send you into stores just to take photos, no deliveries, no customers, no waiting, and it's way more common than you think. This is what it looks like. Go in the store, take some pictures, and leaves. Some of them only take a couple of minutes, some of them take a little bit longer, but they're all really fun. These apps are called store audit apps. Companies pay you to check shelves, take photos of the displays, and report what's going on inside the store through photographs. The first app that I'm going to talk about is the one that you will be the most busy on and the one that I do almost every day. Sometimes are busier, sometimes are not so busy, but this one is by far the best, and it's called Field Agent. Most of them are going to send you to the stores to do what's called a shelf view, and then that just means that you have to take a picture of the whole shelf of the different categories that they ask for. They'll ask for categories like toothpaste all the way to pet food, pest control, stuff like that. There'll be a couple different categories in each gig, and then you just take the pictures, answer the questions, and that's literally it. You don't have to drive any deliveries, and my favorite part is you don't even have to talk to anyone. Expect to be going to stores such as Walmart, Sam's Club, BJ's, Costco, any really big popular store, and then also small format stores like CVS, Walgreens, 7-Eleven, stuff like that. And there's going to be stores like Sam's Club and BJ's that'll have multiple gigs at the same stores. So that's how it could really start becoming worth it, because the pay ranges from about $3 to $5 for most. There are some that pay more, or if nobody's done them in your area, which is pretty likely, then they could get increased all the way up to like $22. I think I've seen them, but expect them to be from $3 to $5, which may not sound like a lot, but most of these, once you get good at them, will only take you a couple of minutes. So then it's worth it if you could stack a lot of these in a day. This is going to pay in cash, direct deposit right into your bank account. They need to be approved by real people. Once you submit them and then they get approved, then the money will be able to be cashed out. And then it's a regular bank transfer, so expect it to be in your bank account in a couple of business days. And this could really add up fast. I've been doing this for about 8 years, and I do these almost every day, and I combine it with the other apps. The next app is going to be Mobee. This one, the biggest difference is it's going to pay in gift cards, but I still think it's worth it because the gift cards include places that I already spend money at, such as Target. You could even do Visa gift card. I usually do the Target one, and my wife is really good at spending the Target gift card. This one is also going to be really busy, and the pay may be slightly better, more towards like $4 to $6. Most of them are going to be like the Field Agent gigs where you're going to have to go take pictures or scan products, certain things. There's some recurring gigs, and then there's some that come and go, and then there's also a lot of seasonal ones. So the recurring one that I like to do most is the honey one. You just have to take a picture and scan all the honey products. And at small stores like Aldi's and CVS and Family Dollar, there's only like 2 or 3 honey products, so you could really get in and out pretty fast. Next is going to be the seasonal gigs during holiday seasons, Christmas, New Year's, Mother's Day. There's going to be a lot of gigs at these stores. They're going to want the candy displays, different types of seasonal displays. So Mobee is a great app to keep you busy, especially if you combined it with Field Agent, because a lot of times I'll be doing a Field Agent gig at Sam's Club, and then there'll be Mobee gigs at Sam's Club as well. The next one is going to be Observa. This is a great app. Same type of thing, except it's going to pay like 5 times as much per gigs, but there's going to be a lot less gigs. So each gig is going to pay a lot more, but the quantity of gigs will be a lot less. I don't know why. I don't know if this app is going out or if it's on its way out, but it used to be really busy. Sometimes they'll drop a bunch at like the Walmart liquor stores, and you could be busy for days with this. The last one I did was at the Fresh Market. It paid $8 and was definitely worth it. It was just a couple pictures of the seasonings and spices. Those are the side hustle apps that I use almost every day, where you don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to do any deliveries. And if you want to see my full tutorial on the Field Agent app, check out this video over here.